Hello everybody, welcome. So this video I'll be showing you how to create from your model from it being very high poly to down to very low poly. Okay, so it's very easy. With a skeleton you just press on the model, then you want to go to the here and then you want to add a modifier, and it being the where is it? The decimate. Then you can go to here, and one thing I like to do is I want to go to the face and then shade flat so it looks more pixelated, and then in here you want to set it to like 0.2, let's say. It's a good number for it, and boom, you got like your sort of PS1 graphics. But if you put it too much it will look garbage. By that I mean if you put it for like 0.1, that's how it look. So yeah, this is how you make it from high poly to very low poly in 2 seconds. But also you could shade smooth, and it will look different when it's shade smooth. Like instead of that, it will look like more smoother, which you do not want if you want to make it like this. Okay, so that's how you make it, and yeah, that's how you create a very low poly PS1 graphics thing. And there might be a bit of geometry broken, so yeah, you can triangulate it at the same time, but most of the time just keep it off. So, peace.